and not now it requires to become an artist. I mean alone have that. Me have to show you, say, I artists gather all these things and I make these things out of artists. I artists make important. When you manager, where you go marketing, where you go market, you can't carry the basket, go blood clot market. PR, where you go PR? You can't PR yourself. When I turn this more 95% business and 5% talent. I want a batty boy. I would a batty boy send request. Go suck your mother. When I can twist up this more 95% business and 5% talent. Won't I go talented? Won't I have talent? Go vlog about yourself then and see how long it lasts. Now you want put me. Have me raw cash. Me want me money before me plot me voice go on YouTube. Before me voice go on YouTube because me want me money. No ram bumbo clot with me. Who not go market? You can't carry him the basket go market. Who you go PR? Who not go invest in on yourself then let me see. Investing on yourself let me see. Investing on yourself. Run TV, Jay. Run all of them sit there without the artist, then let me see. Can't I talk about like I wanna bust your mother pussy. You wanna bust on yourself yet? Eh? If I if people if you know wanna reach, wanna sit down, I wanna there. People wanna come down fast, I wanna bum buck like go up there. Father, mute some of them shit in a plate in the comment section for me. Mute them, then go and listen. They not enough types, so mute them. They don't want left, just mute them. All of what type shit in a plate business. Yeah, mute them. I can't take Batman, you know. I don't like Batman, you know. I don't like Batman. You see, it's bad enough when you're Batman, you know. But it's when you're Batman with it, I want a worse bumbuckler disease, you know. Let me tell you something. Hey bro, me could have gone vlog, you know. A bad mind me not have, you know. Remember me tell you say I know me no competition and music me do, you know. Remember me tell all of you know. And music me do, and me tough. Anything where you hear Shalam say out time mouth, believe me can go project it on a blood class stereo. Me practice until me perfect, me master my craft. Nobody never put me on, so me have to put on myself. Me no want no boy tell me nothing, you know. Go tell your big pussy girl that, you know. I left me can't run me interview right there, so you know. You don't think me can do that? Who do think say, who can't ask me something when me can't ask myself and talk back on this? No, that. Have me money. Have me money. Me no want Cargo call me, you know. Cargo can't call me. Cargo call me phone and ask me what for dub plate. And true, me not tell him $50, you know, call me back. No call me again. A $500 me charge for do a dub plate, Cargo. Me nah do no dub plate for no $50 and $30 like you. You think me a blood clot cocaine? You can't invest millions, you make your money already, you know. You can't do your 30 and 10 and $100 don't play them. And millions me invest in my talent. You think me a cocaine? Me want $50, me no come for my life until I can make $50. You think me no call me phone? No call me. Unless I don't play your car, me no call me. Nobody feel like me nice. No call me. You call me, ask me what to do, make sure you not call me, because you look mix you up, no call my phone. $500 me want for one of me custom don't play them. And me shot them regularly. Me not have to do 50 of them, me do one of me alright. A man must want a boy can't tell me nothing more that dub plate me shot. No tell me about my talent, no boy no tell me what my value. No ramp with shot, no call me phone. Yeah, I hear that. Listen, if you know how much years me I survive. L.A. Lewis, we shall love you. Let me tell you something, pussy one. Let me tell you something. You see you lamb me out here and you no call me name. And when you see me have a chief come, you call like you fuck man, you know. Remember you dey on camera and suck pussy and Amari pussy and them man there, you know. You can't go on my own town, you know. And me your problem, you know. And you fuck up your life, you know. No call me name pussy wall. Me don't know you know. Me never see you yet, you know. But you know you think you lose me can't spend a person, you know. Your money can't help me, you know. Nobody call my name. Me don't want no gathering. Me don't want none of them fuck with it. Me don't want none of your indoctrination story. A dead souls you live off, you know. You get a blood clot beating that you never get before, you know. You feel like me don't know what I go on. No call me name shit in a plate. Go call the people, go fix the people, no call me name. You look a bomber wall, keep your head. Listen, me never your videos, them a fool, you know. Come for you put in, for your GBTs put in videos, me soon start. I don't feel like so, you call like I'm rich. Nobody ramp with me, no. Me nobody go we shall have you somewhere, you know. No call me name in a pussy work, all of me out of me, you call me name, you know. You see me up a career board in the place, about no transmission. You call me name. I talk about me see card machine. Me don't see no card machine up on me there right now, and me see it up a career, be proud of that. Well, if you're not proud of something, you're proud of the pan camera and you're pussy, you know. You're pussy, you know. Amari, you see pussy, you know. No call me name old pussy wall. Me don't know where you be. No call me name. And you make me shut down stick, you know. Cause me see them put up past thing and I charge me 3,500. No call me name. Tell this every day Jonas how you make me lock down thing. Cause them a fuck you up a clown you. That's why me lock instant we lock you down. Nobody need to go over there, no. No call me name and not even blood clot macadam man like you. No call me name Batman. No call me name. I come on me see your pan and name pussy. No call me name. You lick up your shit in a plate. But bumbuckler, you look blood clad, plastic crown by head. Move your pussy wall. And don't call me name, old boy. And you may tell you, see how I'm there, I'm not calling him. If you want a nice bumbuckler culture, don't call Shalam name. See how long you hold a little spot where there. And nobody no business boy. If you want come out, if you want shift up for that spot, call me name one pussy clad more time. And you say if you say if you really we shall love you. You say if you're ready to be around here. Call me bumbuckler name one more time. Alright. You must feel like me a Santa blood. You think me a them bumbuckler eat that? You think me a geographic paint or we paint 7 pounds? You think me a Batman? You ever see me down a blood? You ever see me down a blood a Panic Stone me live and me a maroon? And you ever see me down a blood clot? You ever hear me come down here? You know what time I pass to write this up on Constant Spring? You ever see me come over there and say me want move your pussy one now? Don't call me near, yeah? Let me tell you, wrong bumbuckler somebody near your call. You talk about your watch who? No call me near wrong. Let me tell you something. You will come down fast and oh you go me say you talk me say them hey. You better make it all always say we are maroon and live in peace. Yeah? No call me name. Alright. A hot tile, me flash pan blood clot, hot tile, by your call me name. Right, go call, so look how shit in a plate name. You don't know nothing about me, you never see me in your life yet. A dead souls, you know, when you get a piece of whipping class, your bumbuckler back, you go and know if you're in the young pong, leader in the young pang, or your pang, or your what kind of bumbuckler pang. When the pang time come in, you pang your bumbuckler. Go and go, no call me name, right now, no call me name. And right now, no call me name, you can't manage me right now. Go call, so look how shit in a plate name. Go blow and blow your rum and blow your fire. No call me blood clot name. Me I tell you, you know say a bomb, no call me name. Me I want dangerous pussy one, no call my name. Me turn bumbuckler Leviathan by you. You can't go explain. Me know what you think me know. What you know? What you know? You see what you know? You top right there, so me know where you don't know. You gonna get a piece of whipping now you them have a charge for you see. And your blood clot, you see, you complete about 100, you have a charge for you 200, you see. Wait, party man. You have 5 bomb clot here on 1 February until they don't call me name pussy wall. Cause you can't come up with me there. You can't come and a Yankopong. You can't go to Maroon Town. You have to turn a blood clot downtown Kingston. A shanty town and where you want to call it. And no blood clot Maroon down there, so you will like Maroon there have to lift up a beer shit in a plate down there, so. Look at Maroon down there, but a beer shit in a plate down there. No call me bomb clot them. You don't know nothing about this. And flesh and blood they are wrestle with and them catches. Don't call me name shit in a bomb clot plate for Emperor where you pussy one name. Call a little friend their name where you know. And Shalam. And I have a wonderful day, you know. I come down now. Can't too much bomb clot shit in a plate over here. When I little sit up bomb clot boy. And Shalam. Have a wonderful day, my people. See knowledge before vengeance.